So the fan is spitting water because I don't know. I think it was the the ice in the coils. Yeah, I have no idea what it's doing. And you can see the styrofoam is wet because the water inside the fan. Like, yeah. And it's molded too. Very molded. Yep. I know there's something wrong with this AC unit. I don't feel much air coming out of it because it started the vibrating coils is starting to freeze up even more. Like, yeah, it's overcharged too much. So yeah. Nah, it's still weak. Yeah, I wonder if this icon ship will be taken out of the window soon. I mean, it's been installed since 8 years ago now. But like I said before, it's from 2018, so yeah. Look at this, so much dust in the fan. Yeah, that's gross. Oh, I feel the clothes. Oh. Yeah, it is condensation on the bottom. Yeah. Oh well. Here it is. The accumulator is frozen. Huh. Yeah. This coils is not much warm because the compressor of the accumulator from the compressor is, yeah. It's warm a little bit though, but still it's not much. It's not much hot though. And the styrofoam inside of it is so dirty. Yeah. And this case is rusty out already. Yeah, it's so old, like, and dirty. Oh, and it's about to be gone too. The paint. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, so I wonder if this AC will be taken out the window. I mean, the wall. Yeah, the wall. I mean, it is 8 years old, like I said. Wait, I think. Oh, the camera just turned off now. Now it's defrosting. Yeah. I think the compressor might came back on. It started to freeze up again, like over and over again. You know? Yeah. I wish the compressor works perfectly. But I guess not. I mean, it is working. It does make the coils warm, and inside the air inside is cold. But it's just the compressor of the accumulator is frozen. You know? Yeah. I can't believe this keep happening again. Over over and over again, the accumulator of the compressor is frozen so much. And look at, and that's melting too. Sucks. Yeah, I feel the air coming out of it a little bit. Not much, just it just take more time for the ice to melt off, and then the much air will come. Wait. Oh, don't tell me. The code just came back on. Don't tell me. Uh, yeah. It's on again, I think. Alright, that's about it. Thank you for watching and over and now. Peace.